guys, so it's Zhiyun or WJP Media here today with a first vlogging video in long time with like cars and stuff. So today is a very special day. If you guys have been following my social media, I got a Skyline R33 and it's right-hand drive, imported from Japan. But yeah, so I wanted to start vlogging again because it was really fun doing it when I was doing it like 2 years ago when I had my Dart. You guys can like scroll back, or I'll link something like way right here in the section to where you guys will see that. So yeah, this is the car right here. Yep, right-hand drive, everything. Now the neat thing is with this one's a 4-door and it's got the GTR wheels for it too, so pretty stoked about that. And yeah, so this video is about the exhaust. Now a lot of you are like, well, why did you go with like a HKS silencer, like the HKS blah blah blah, or like the Tomei? Well, one, I'm already gonna like straight pipe the car essentially with just a muffler. If you guys follow my page, you guys know that I have a 370Z that's completely straight piped. It's right over there underneath the cover. So that one there is completely straight pipe with just test pipes on there from Concept Z. So the thing is, it sounds nice and it's loud, but it's just too raspy once I hit the high RPMs. So what I'm gonna do on this one is I'm gonna keep the muffler. This one's from Kakimoto, and there's some videos that have the exhaust note on it with the straight cats. And bro, no cats, just test pipe, single test pipe. Dude, it sounds freaking dope. Sounds like the all that stuff once I get a tune on it, of course, but it sounds just like that. And then you can hear the turbo just nice. It's not too loud, but it's just perfect. So this one here, if you guys are wondering, has the RB25DET. So single turbo, you can put an RB26 blockhead on there. You're just gonna have to do some cutting to fit the top head of the RB26 on there. So I'll do that once I get this thing in the running shape. As of right now, I just kind of want to open it up, fix some of the exhaust hangers to make sure that's tight and everything. And then of course, replace some other things. So yeah, let's get to it. I'm gonna go ahead and unbolt this thing and bring it upstairs so we can go ahead and clean it and make it shiny, because it's a true Japanese exhaust. And yeah, whatever. Look, and then I don't really need to clean this part. Essentially, it's just this section here. Clean this up, make it look shiny and stuff. So should be good. So gotten done just scrubbing it with water and some hot water and a sponge, and this is what it looks like so far. It looks way better. I haven't done the tip yet, of course, because of all the carbon buildup and stuff. I mean, but this is just hot water, some elbow grease. But I love this thing. Look at this. Japanese. This is why I love this one, is because it has the Japanese letters. And it sounds amazing. So we'll go ahead and continue cleaning this up. I don't know if you guys can see that. Here, let me shine some light. Yeah, that used to be all black. And I guess it's just built up over time and I can't get off because I don't have another sponge. But yeah, it used to be all black. And this used to be really gunky. Yeah, look at that. Clean, bro, clean. Just gotta clean it up now, dry it, make it look good. After about, let's say, an hour of doing this, let's have this around like 9. Let's see. Bam! Look at that. Let's see if I can get a sticker to replace this, make it look nice. But I want to show you guys this. This was all black. All black. And yeah, this was not reflective at all, as you can see yourself and everything. So yeah, this thing is shiny as can be. I love this thing. It's gonna sound so good when it's on there. And like I said, yeah, The setup's pretty much just gonna be a straight, all the way to the turbo. So there's gonna be no resonators or anything like that. I'm gonna do the straight test pipe for the R33, and then that should be it. And this should help with the raspiness by a lot. So that's why I went with just the muffler setup. And yeah, this is awesome. Can't wait to put it on and hear how it sounds. So thanks again for watching. And yeah, this is how you restore a, I don't know, probably like 10, 20, almost 30-year-old exhaust muffler. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this. Don't know how to hold the camera, but see you guys on the next vlog. And stay tuned for more. So we got the Z build. Might be getting rid of that. So if you guys want it, just let me know. And then we got our ladies build. The Jetta, she's over there. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this. Stay tuned for more Skyline content. And I'll be with you guys. It's hot. I'm tired. But this is awesome. So we're good. End it there.